Hey guys, we're back again down here at the ice bath. Switch the camera up. Got the DJI Pocket 3 instead of the GoPro. The GoPro was just jacking up yesterday and wasn't working well. We're going to go ahead and get in the ice bath here and test the Garmin. It's amazing typically how things work. I push press upload on a video, and literally Garmin fixed it that day. Like the upload changed. I guess it was in beta, so they already fixed it. All right, we're going in here for 3 minutes. Let's get ready. We're going to put the Garmin in. Let's see if they fix this. Here we go. All right, here we go. Ooh, it's cold today. I go 42 degrees, 3 minutes every day after run. I ran 10 miles today at tempo. I'm trying to break a 3:35 marathon. Let me get in here for a minute. Woo. Okay, Garmin is working. We'll see what happens. All right, 3 minutes. So I'm trying to break a 3:30 marathon pace at Indy in 30 days from now. I started running in April, and the reason I'm doing that's Boston qualified time. And I really want to run like a 3:20. So today I did 5 miles at tempo pace, and 5 miles just kind of like nine something relaxed Sunday pace. So we're rocking. Typically I don't wear the Garmin in the ice bath or the sauna. I go sauna 20 minutes after my run, and then I do this for 3 minutes. Reason being, whew, it's a little cold today, is that I usually wash the Garmin right now. Like right now is when I wash it off and I clean it up and I put it in there really good. If you see me looking back, I'm checking my time because I'm freezing. So far the Garmin is working. This is about the time that it shut off yesterday, as you know. It's kind of, my little channel caused them to fix it. No, the truth is it was in beta before. Somebody dumped this in an ice water and it actually was working. So it was good. As far as ice baths, for me, a couple people asked me, why do I do it? Well, one is mental. It gives me the strength. There's like a dopamine hit after the first 30 seconds. You know, you get cold in here and then you just start, I don't know, it's just weird. You get this great dopamine hit. And the other thing is just great for muscle recovery. Like I've got a little ankle problem, some hamstring issues. And when I get cold right now, it's like 1:30 left. This is when I start shivering a little bit, as you can tell. Whew, and it is cold. So we got a minute left. We're gonna hang in here, and the Garmin is still on, so it does look like they fixed this problem. But yeah, it's one of those things that I hate cold water. I just hate it. But the health benefits for me are mental, one, and two, just the recovery aspect. Being 55 and trying to recover to get this like Boston Marathon qualifying time, I have to stay healthy. That's the key thing, and I'm pushing my body pretty hard right now. And so I'm really working hard to keep myself as fit as possible going in. Okay, back to the Garmin. Woo, it's cold and it is still on. We got 30 seconds. This is when it, whew, you can start to feel a little bit. My hands are cold. Woo, 30 seconds. 20 seconds. You can do anything for 20 seconds. Get back to my breathing here. All right, but yep, Garmin's still working. Has not shut off yet. 42 degree water. All right, 6 seconds. 5. Oh boy. 2, 1. All right, we're getting out. All right. Oh, I love that timer. This is Ice Barrel 500, by the way. I did a thing on my channel, and I'm using a Warrior. I think it's called a Warrior Willpower. You know, like a chiller that works real well. But while we're doing this video, Garmin works. No issues, so I just want to get a quick video done. Garmin did fix it, so we can now cold plunge with the Garmin. Hey, thank you guys yesterday for all the cool comments. I appreciate you with my little channel as we do tech stuff here. It is a lot of fun. And man, thanks for letting me just kind of have fun with this channel. It's a blast, and I'm having a fun time. So let's give kudos to Garmin for fixing the cold plunge thing. It does work, latest updated software. Yesterday it didn't work, today it does. So, hey, let's go have a great day. You guys have a great one. Just hit thumbs up if you like these videos, and they're just pretty natural, fun things. That's what we're doing. But, hey, Garmin, good job. Fenix 8 is now working. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go get warm. Bye, everybody. See you in the next video.